Hi guys, this is Jitinder from TechWarm. I'm going to show you unboxing of CoolPad Note 3 Lite and will give you some overview of this phone. This is not a sealed box because we have received the open box from the company today, but still it has got all the ingredients which come with the phone. When you open the box, you will find in plastic cover the phone with the tape on it. When you remove it, you find the phone. This is the phone. I'm going to switch it on, and in the box you find CoolPad warranty card, this is the charger, and this is the charging cable. With this you also get earphones to hear the music. These are the things which come along with the phone. This is a phone. This is made of plastic, but the company has given aluminum rim between the display and the back cover, which is of golden color. The back of this phone has arc design, which is of anti-slip material and is made of fine plastic. This is the rear camera, 13 megapixel, and behind the camera is fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor of this phone is one of the highlights of this phone, and the company claims that it has 99% accuracy. This phone has 5-inch IPS display with HD resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels, and this phone is powered by 1.3 gigahertz quad-core MediaTek processor. The other highlight of this phone is that this phone comes with 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, which can be extended up to 32 GB via micro SD card. This phone has 13 megapixel rear camera with 6p lens and LED flash and 5 megapixel front camera. There are several modes like normal shot, face beauty, smile shot, dim light shot, gesture shot, panorama and HDR features. Face beauty and smile shot will be particularly useful for front camera for clicking the selfies. The other feature of this phone is that this phone comes loaded with very useful apps like WeChat, WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon. This phone has removable back, and when you take out the back cover, you find SIM slots, two SIM slots, because this is a dual SIM slot. You can put the SIMs here, and this is micro SD card slot for expansion of your internal storage. This phone is packed with 2500 mAh battery, which is which will be good to last for 8 to 10 hours depending upon your usage. This phone is as its name suggests, this phone is lighter version of Coolpad Note 3 Lite, which was launched in the month of October last year. The only difference between its elder brother and this phone is that Coolpad Note 3 had display of 5.5 inches with same HD resolution, and that phone was equipped with 3000 mAh battery, whereas this phone has 5-inch HD resolution and its battery size is 2500 mAh. The original one, Coolpad Note 3, was priced 8999, whereas Coolpad Note 3 Lite is 6999. Rest of the features are same from the look wise, and from the hardware features this phone looks amazing, and I have not seen a smartphone with 3GB RAM and fingerprint sensor selling at 7000 rupees. We will be testing this device in another 7 to 10 days, and then we'll come out with the detailed review. Thank you and bye bye.